tree number 2. But actually, that's the main tree. Yan yung panggitna na tree. That's why it's very maliwanag. Hi guys, good morning. Good morning ka muna. Good morning guys. Ay, wait lang pa. Good morning ka muna sa phone. Good morning ka muna sa phone. Okay, go ahead, go ahead. So, it's Monday morning and exam week na ng mga kids ngayon. So, kanina umaga nakapagayak na kami. It's actually late na. And I'm so happy to report that I just uploaded my first ever YouTube vlog again after so many time. Yay! So many time. So many yay. So many. Ang tagal ko na kasi huli nag-upload sa YouTube. Ay, sorry love. Sorry. Okay, nagbo-watch si Matthew. Morning routine, naghaba nanonood si Matthew. Ayan, nagtatrabaho ako. Matthew, hello! Ayan ang itsura. So, that's my desk. Share kami ng screen. Screen niya, screen ko. And my table looks like here. Ayan. Ganda ng table ko, di ba? Pag ikot ko, computer. Pag ganyan ko, may planner. Sobrang happy ako sa setup na to ng aking mini office dito sa bahay. Ulit. Ito yung isa sa mga reason ba't sobrang happy ako. Pag kailangan magsulat, ayan, andyan, nakabukas lagi yan. Yan ang aking schedule kung ano yung mga kailangan kong tapusin for the day. At pag kailangan kong mag-type, ikot. At pag kailangan magpadede, ikot ulit. Ayun yung bed. Or pag kailangan matulog. Din lahat because I'm not happy. So, tinanggal ko din lahat. Ulitin ko because I'm not happy with... Actually, I'm happy with how it turns out. But the thing is, kukulangan yung Christmas decors ko. So, papalitan ko siya para mas less... maganda pa rin siya pero less full siya. And also, I need to change that plant. Wait, buhat muna ako. Wait lang. Okay. Oopsie. Can you guess what we're trying to peg on this Christmas tree? So, the plan is, there's gonna be 3 at the back. The first, the middle one, it's gonna be super light. I mean, like, marami siyang ilaw. And it's gonna be full. Sing again. No. You're eating. Okay. Oh, ayan. So, anyways. Tapos, yung magkabilang side, less full, more balls. Ang plan ko is more balls, less flowers then. And then sa harap, tatlong 5 feet na ganyan. I'm still thinking kung ano sila. Anyways, basta hindi uniform or hindi pare-parehas yung itsura nila. Yun ang peg. Iba-iba kada tree para mas maganda. Para stand alone pa rin sila, di ba? What are you looking for, Matthew?
I'm looking for a train.
You're looking for the train? Where is it?
Yeah.
Let's show it to mommy.
Okay.
No, kunin mo.
No.
Ayaw mo kuhanin? Asan ba? Oh, this one. Oh, nice. Ang ganda nga ng train. Oh, look. So pretty. You like it, mahal?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's go. So, we're gonna go to DV Mart para magbili pa ng more balls.
Okay. Okay, Mommy.
Okay, because we're making that green balls. We're gonna buy more green balls.
Okay.
The other one, probably
Okay, Mommy.
more gold balls. I don't know actually. Bahala na si Batman.
I'm done. Oh, hot.
You're done fart.
Yes.
Oh, what are you doing now?
Done. Oh, hot. It's busy now.
It's pretty now.
Yes.
You like our Christmas tree?
Yes.
What is your favorite color of our tree?
Oh, here's the walnut.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Mommy.
Okay, baby. Okay, let's go. Let's go to DV Mart. Oh, wait. Pupunta tayo ng DV Mart. May iwan ka sa kotse, ha? Anong gagawin?
Okay.
Okay, behave lang, ha?
Okay.
Okay.
I will sit down.
You will sit there. You know, you will sit on the car, baby. Kasama mo si ate. Are you going to bring your strawberry gummies?
No,
What?
I'm sitting here.
You're sitting there. What are you eating?
It's a strawberry gummy.
You're eating strawberry gummies.
Yes. I'm sitting. I mean,
Napaka-cute.
strawberry gummy.
Strawberry gum. Where did you buy that?
I buy this.
Saan?
And the ribbon.
In?
The ribbon.
Supermarket.
No. And the ribbon.
Oh,
Sorry.
sorry. It's okay, love. I love you, Matthew. What will you say to mommy? Hey, what will you say to mommy? I love you, mommy muna. I love you, mommy. Hmm? I love you, mommy. Mm-mm. Ang cute-cute lang ng baby. Let's go na, bahal. Come on na.
I'm eating.
Let's go na. Ayun na si daddy, oh.
I'm eating.
Let's go na.
I'm
What are you eating?
eating.
What are you eating? What do you want to use? Black car or white car?
I want to eat.
You want what?
I want to eat. Ano ba tayo gagamitin mo? Black car o white car? What do you want? Saan ka sasakay? Saan ka sasakay? Sa yung Ford, para sa car seat. Let's go na.
Ako.
Okay, done with 3 number 1. 5 more to go. Baliw na. Matthew, don't play with that. Ayan, nag-work si Mami. Okay. Mommy's working.
Okay, okay. After second, wow.
Mommy's Oh, I love you so much, Matthew. No, don't do that, mahal. I love you so much, Matthew.
Mommy.
Wait lang po. Asa na ba? Where's your police car? Eh! Sandali, Siko, help!
Help. Nico, help. Nico. Help. Nico.
Pinakamasarap talaga ever ang fresh, ever lumpia ng Goldilocks.
A chicken. So a chicken, Mommy. Again.
Wait lang! Aray! Baby naman eh. Nago. Nacho!
Yeah.
Okay, I'm done with work number 1. Done with work number 1. Okay. Nakakagutom magtrabaho kapag ang tinatrabaho mo ay pagkain. Lalo na Goldilocks. Lalo na yung fresh lumpia ng Goldilocks. Nag-crave tuloy ako ngayon. Ano ba yan? Ay, maka-order nga para bukas. Sakto nandito si Inay. Pagbili natin siya. Number 2. But actually, that's the main tree. Yan yung panggitna na tree. That's why it's very maliwanag. It's full of Christmas balls. That's the idea behind it. It's full of Christmas balls. Hi, Matthew. Do you like your Christmas tree? Cute. Oh, wag ka na dyan. Hindi pa tapos. Pupunuin pa natin ng flowers yan. Ay, ang ganda. Pack. Shucks. Super nice. Like, super nice. Ay, kulang yung ilaw na dilaw. Pero, pwede na rin. Kulang dun sa area na yun, ano. Dito dapat. But anyways, pwede na yan. Okay na yan. Sobrang nakakapagod. Pero ang ganda, diba? Okay. Yun na muna for now. At, matutulog na ako. Papahinga na ako. Or magtatrabaho pa ako. Isa na lang at least tomorrow. Ito na lang ang gagawin ko bukas. Pwede na kayo mag-pictorial para sa Goldilocks. Yay! Pero, medaya yan kasi 7 feet. Pati dun sa kasama binibilang nila yung parang tuktok na tuktok eh. So, ayun na muna for now. Ayun ang aming Christmas tree. Peg sana, sabi ko diba, peg sana dun sa isa. Parang ala weekend. Kaso wala na akong mabili balls na kulay green. So, papanggap na lang siya.